Hello, beautiful souls of Glamour Guru. We're embarking on a unique journey today, a journey that will take us into the heart of Indian culture and its age-old skincare rituals. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the mystique of Indian skincare. We promise it's going to be an exciting ride, filled with vibrant colors, tantalizing aromas, and secrets that have been passed down through generations. Welcome to our journey of unveiling the beauty secrets of India. Ever pondered the secret behind the radiant and flawless skin of Indian beauties? Today, we peel back the layers of mystique that surround the age-old Indian skincare traditions. Get ready to embark on an enchanting journey as Glamour Guru unravels the secrets of Indian beauty, right from the vibrant heart of our spice-filled kitchens. India, a land brimming with spices, colors, and rich traditions, boasts a beauty culture deeply rooted in nature. Our ancestors passed down incredible skincare rituals that harness the power of the environment. Today we unlock these time-tested remedies that have transcended generations. One of the most celebrated skincare superheroes in Indian households is turmeric, the golden spice of India. It's not just a kitchen staple, but also a treasure trove of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it the key to achieving that radiant glow. So, how can you incorporate this golden wonder into your skincare routine? Here are some simple yet effective turmeric remedies for skin. For a turmeric face mask, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with yogurt or honey to form a paste. Apply this to your face and neck and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. A turmeric and milk paste can be made by mixing turmeric powder with milk. Apply the paste to the affected areas. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with water. For a turmeric and besan or chickpea flour face pack, mix turmeric powder with besan and a little water to create a paste. Apply the mixture to your face, let it dry, then gently scrub off the dried paste and wash your face with water. A turmeric and coconut oil treatment can be created by mixing turmeric powder with coconut oil. Apply the paste to the skin and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. A soothing turmeric and aloe vera gel mask can be made by mixing turmeric powder with aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with water. A turmeric and honey mask is created by mixing turmeric powder with honey to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. For a turmeric and lemon juice face pack, combine turmeric powder with lemon juice to make a paste. Apply the paste to your face and let it dry for 15 minutes before rinsing off with water. And lastly, a turmeric and neem mask can be prepared by mixing turmeric powder with neem powder or neem paste. In summary, the golden spice of India, turmeric, with its rich antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, offers an array of skincare benefits. From face masks to treatments, these easy-to-follow remedies promise radiant, flawless skin right from the comfort of your own home. Embrace the magic of turmeric and let your skin bask in the glow of nature's beauty.
First off, let's look at the neem leaf paste. It involves grinding neem leaves into a paste using a smidgen of water. After applying this paste to the face, let it sit for approximately 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with water. This remedy is known for its efficacy in controlling acne and refining skin texture. Next, we have the neem water toner. This involves boiling neem leaves in water until the water takes on a greenish hue. Once cooled and strained, this neem-infused water can be used as a toner, helping to reduce acne and control excess oil. A potent blend of neem and turmeric makes for an effective face pack. Combine ground neem leaves with a pinch of turmeric and a little water to create a paste. Apply this to the face, allow it to dry and rinse off. This mixture is renowned for its antibacterial properties. For a soothing mask, try the neem and aloe vera gel mask. This involves mixing neem leaf paste with fresh aloe vera gel. Applied to the face for about 20 minutes before rinsing off, this mask can be a calming treat for irritated skin. Neem oil, when diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, can be used for a nourishing skin massage. Leave the oil on the skin for at least 30 minutes before rinsing off. This imparts anti-inflammatory and moisturizing benefits. For a moisturizing face pack, try mixing neem leaf powder with honey. Apply the paste to the face for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. Honey boosts moisture levels while neem helps control acne. A neem bath can be beneficial for those suffering from skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Simply add neem-infused water to your bath and soak in it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, a neem leaf scrub can be made by crushing dried neem leaves and mixing them with a natural exfoliating agent like oatmeal or sugar. This scrub gently exfoliates the skin when used. However, always remember that while neem can be beneficial for many skin issues, it's essential to do a patch test first, especially for those with sensitive skin. And if you have any persistent skin concerns, don't hesitate to consult a dermatologist. In summary, the humble neem tree offers a plethora of natural remedies to combat common skin issues. From controlling acne and oil to soothing irritation and moisturizing the skin, neem-based remedies can be a game changer in your skincare routine. So, are you ready to embrace the power of nature in your skincare journey?
Ever wondered how Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, has stood the test of time? It's all about balance. Ayurveda seeks to harmonize the body, mind, and spirit using potent herbs and natural ingredients. Today we dive into the world of Ayurvedic skincare remedies that have been passed down through generations in India. First on the list is a turmeric and milk paste. Combine turmeric powder with raw milk to create a paste. Smear this paste on your face and body, allow it to dry, and then gently rinse off with lukewarm water. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, works wonders, while milk moisturizes your skin. Next, we have a sandalwood face pack. Blend sandalwood powder with rose water or milk to form a paste. Apply this soothing mixture to your face, wait for it to dry, and then rinse off. Sandalwood, known for its cooling and calming properties, leaves your skin feeling refreshed. Moving on to an aloe vera and neem face mask. Mix fresh aloe vera gel with neem powder or crushed neem leaves. Apply this concoction to your face, let it sit for about 20 minutes, then rinse off. Aloe vera and neem, both equipped with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, work together to give you clear, glowing skin. Our next remedy is a triphala face wash. Create a paste by combining triphala powder with water. Gently massage this detoxifying paste onto your face, then rinse off. Triphala, a combination of 3 potent fruits, works wonders on your skin. Now, prepare for an Ayurvedic oil massage. Using natural oils such as sesame, coconut, or almond oil, give your body a full massage. Let the oil soak into your skin for at least 15 to 30 minutes before bathing. This ritual not only nourishes your skin, but also promotes relaxation. Next, we create a rose water and glycerin toner. Combine rose water with a few drops of glycerin. Use a cotton ball to apply this calming mixture to your face. Rose water, with its cooling properties, and glycerin, which helps retain moisture, create a perfect balance. Then we have a mint and Fuller's Earth Multani Mitti mask. Crush mint leaves and mix them with Fuller's Earth to form a paste. Apply this paste to your face, let it dry, and then rinse off. This combination works effectively to control excess oil. Our next remedy is a triphala eye wash. Soak triphala powder in water overnight to create a solution. Use this solution as an eye wash in the morning. Triphala is said to promote eye health. Finally, we have sesame oil pulling. Swish a tablespoon of sesame oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes before spitting it out. This Ayurvedic practice is believed to improve oral health, which is considered essential for overall well-being. Mix Brahmi, Amla, and Ashwagandha powders with rose water to form a paste. Gently apply it to your face, allowing the herbs to work their magic. Not only will your skin thank you, but you'll also experience a profound sense of serenity. And there you have it, the essence of Indian skincare rituals. Embrace these traditions. Let your beauty reflect the stories of generations past and share the love by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until our next Stay Beautiful, stay radiant. We'll continue our journey around the world, uncovering beauty secrets in the next video. And lovelies, see you